take y'all back to the era when them boys rode them Chevys and them lags. Was really getting them stacks.
Part 2 of the cam swap. You can see I got this block cleaned up, ready for reassembly. Got the majority of the carbon off of the pistons. Everything rinsed out really nice. Start lubricating everything up and start this reassembly procedure. First thing I want to do is showing Brian some specs on the cam and helping him understand what lift and duration is. So lift and duration is on the cam lobe itself. Okay. The amount of lift that you have is from the center line of the cam to the top of this lobe. That's your lift. Now, the amount of duration you have is this lobe right here, basically how rounded off this lobe is. Less duration, it's more pointed. More duration, it's more rounded. So we're going to put both cams, the new cam and the old cam, side by side so you can visually see the difference. Okay, you can see on the new BTR cam, the top of this lobe right here is much rounder than the top of this lobe right here. So what that's going to do is hold the valve open longer for more airflow, more fuel to pass through the engine. And it's going to give us that sound that we want. That's the duration on the cam. All right. So I hope that helps explain a little bit. Let's start this procedure. Okay, we got the new camshaft installed, the new lifters and lifter trays. Don't really have anyone to hold a camera for me, so I can't film all of this, unfortunately. But we're moving right along. All right, we're installing the cam phaser limiter here. That's that little block down there. Stops the computer from being able to advance and retard the timing as much, or the camshaft. All right, I got the cam installed, the cam phaser limiter done. Got the sprockets and the chains back on. The timing marks are lined up. You go ahead and pull this tensioner back out. All right, the oil pump's back on. Lined it up against the line-up tools that I made. Tightened it up and then removed the tools. All right, we got the cover all back on. Everything's finished on the front side. Still got to get the heads back on. This valley cover and the oil pan. We got these BTR multi-layer head gaskets. Getting ready to stick these heads on. All right, just got the heads, the top plate put on. Heads are all torqued. I got my workout in for the day. I'm sweating. All right, we got everything torqued down, all the rockers, push rods, everything back in. Balancers on. We're just waiting on the new covers and the new intake manifold, our motor mounts and headers, and we're going to be sticking this thing in the Caprice. All right, this is going to conclude part 2 of the cam swap. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, especially you, Brian. Thanks for watching. If you guys haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks.
I'ma take it back to 91 and 93. I'ma take it back to 91 and 93. When them Chevys and them Cadillacs ran the street. I'ma take it back to 91 and 93. When them boys rolled